discussion was on exam style practice questions, okay, as in page 275 and 276. Okay, let's look at the first question. Consider the information below for company A and company B. Both companies are located in country Y. Company A is a manufacturer of components used in the car industry. Company B is a manufacturer of leather goods such as belts and watch straps. Sabrina is looking to invest 10,000 in one of these companies. Okay, let's look at the trading account. Company A has revenue of 72,000 and company B has 83,000 of revenue. Cost of sale, company A got have 32,000 and company B has 41,000. Expenses, company A has 22,000 and company B has 30,000. Profit, company A has 18,000 and company B has 12,000. Retained profit, company A has 15,000 and company B has 3,000. Okay, the first question is to define revenue. First 1A, define revenue, is a 2-mark question. Okay, the question is simple, straightforward. Just answer amount earned by business from sales of products. Amount earned by business from sales of products. Question number B, identify 2 example of an overhead cost, which is 2 marks. I think the best example is advertising and transport. Okay, C, outline 2 reasons why profit is important to business such as companies A and B. This is 4 marks. The best answer should be sources of finance. To retain profit can be used to purchase non-current asset or finance expansion. Okay, I repeat, it's a source of finance, so it can retain profit, can be used to purchase non-current assets or finance expansion. Okay, another point could be attract investors, because high profit usually means high dividends and increased share value. Attract investors, high profits usually means high dividend and increased share value. That could be the best answer for question C. Now question D. Explain 2 uses of company's A income statement to any 2 stakeholders group. Okay, the best answer, okay, let's say okay, if the business have high profit, so possibly higher wages for employees, higher better profit for the business, so possibly higher wages, and also for employees, they also benefit on better job security. Okay, how about shareholders? Higher retained profit, so lower dividend. So retained profit could be used to finance expansion of company A and increase future profit dividend. So if they can keep if they can keep their profit, then dividend will be there. Okay, and profit could be used to finance expansion of company A and increase future profit dividend. So total you need to have 6 mark. Okay, because they only ask for 2 users. All right, so make sure explain each uses with 2 points and give an explanation. All right, next one, E. In which company do you think Sabrina should invest her 10,000? Justify your answer. Okay, company A is the best because it's most profitable, so market share likely to increase. Okay, so company B has lower retained profit as percentage of profit, so must have paid high dividends. So company A has such retained profits, so this could be due to finance expansion, maybe because future profitability of company A could increase and lead to higher dividends and growth in the market value of its shares. So decision as to which company based on points that you can give. All right, so this is a 6 mark. Let's go for question number 2. Victory Machines VM is a manufacturer of motorcycles. The data below shows the market data for motorcycles and VM revenue and profit data for the motorcycles it produces. Okay, let's look at the revenue that in year 2012. Financial data for motorcycles is 5% share of market. So market data shows 8,500,000. Profit 84,000 and 3,400,000. Dividend pay is 70,000 and retained profit is 14,000. Okay, let's look and in the statement. In 2011, VM's profit was $91,000. It paid $58,000 in dividends. Okay, Alright, let's look at the question A, 2A. Identify two internal stakeholder who might be interested in the financial performance of VM. Okay, the answer could be managers and employees, direct suppliers, anyone. Okay, so managers, employees would be the best answer. Number B, they asked to calculate VM's revenue for 2012. So the answer is straightforward. Revenue, you see 5% of shares of the market times with 8,500,000. Okay, you should get $425,000. Okay, put the dollar sign. Alright, number C. Outline the possible benefit to VMs of retained profit. What is the benefit? Okay, so it could be sources of finance, so like to purchase non-current asset, or maybe financial expansion, but there's no cost to VM. So this is like 4 marks question, yeah, so that should be your answer. Okay, explain two possible causes for the fall in VM's profit between 2011 and 12. Okay, your answer could be recession. Recession would be the one of the best answer. Consumer have less money to spend, and they have lower sales on luxury item. Okay, that can be one reason. Another reason could be competitors, because competitors might lower price. Okay, they might improve quality. Okay, and they increase promotion. So VM customer had bought from competitors, so they have lose their customers because of the competitors. All right. Okay, E. Do you think VM's shareholder will be satisfied with their investment in VMs? Justify your answer. Okay, so the answer should be no, because why? As the fall in profits and lower dividend, so most likely to reduce the market value of its shares. So alternative users of shareholders money invested in VM, are they investing? So profit as a percentage of market was only 2.5%. Okay, that is what they showed here. So suggest VM is not good of controlling cost. So statement for or against shareholders may be satisfied based on points discussed. So usually you can say they can be satisfied or may not. Okay, we have completed our exam practice for chapter 21. Okay, that's it. See you all next time. Bye.